Okay, we are going to create a slide for our poem for I was, I am, I will be. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Google, google.com, and in the upper right-hand corner you're going to sign in to your Greeley Schools account. Remember to put at greeleyschools.org at the end, and then sign in using your lunch account number, just like you always do. Alright, now, there you are signed into Google. The first thing you're going to do is go to Google Slides, and it has several different options for templates for you. I would choose a blank one. And it comes up with click to add title, click to add subtitle. I usually get rid of those boxes because I'm going to put my own boxes in there at some point. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to think about some of the pictures that might go well with my poem. So if I were writing my particular poem, I might go looking for pictures of a teacher. So if you look for Google Images, you can find pictures of teachers. I'm just going to pick this one. I'm going to right-click it, and I'm going to copy the image. And then I'm going to go back to my untitled presentation and paste it in using Control-V. Now I want to make this fit my screen, so I'm going to widen it out just a little bit, which distorts it a little bit, but it's kind of an arty thing, so I think that's okay. So once I deselect my picture, I'm going to go up here and insert a text box. And maybe I want the text box to be the whole picture, maybe I don't want it to be the whole picture, maybe I just put pieces of artwork around it, whatever. But I definitely want to have a poem title. And then you're going to start typing your poem here. You can change your font and your size by highlighting your text and going up to the font and changing it. And you can change the size if you want to. That's a little bit big, but you kind of get the idea. So then you're going to type in your whole poem. And then when you're done, what I'd like you to do is, and you'll see up here, all changes are saved in Drive. So if you go to your Drive, your Google Drive account, you'll be able to see this in there already. But what I'd like you to do is go up to File and Share with Me. So you're going to give your document a title, and what I want you to do is write your first name and then last initial. Let's just say I'm John R. And then write poem, and then click Save. And then you are going to share with me, M. Pomponio, at greeleyschools.org. And then say Send. Okay? So now, when I come up to my Google Drive, and if you saw that, it just gave me a little email that says that you sent something to me so that I can take a look at it. So when you're done, you can go up to the top corner and click the two boxes in the yellow box. That takes you back to the Google Slides homepage. If you go to your Google Drive, your own personal Google Drive, you'll be able to see your file right here. When I go to my Google Drive, I'll be able to see your file there. And here's what I'm going to do. I am going to create folders for each of you so that each of you has a little folder in that I can see in my Google Drive, so I can kind of take stock of your progress, that kind of thing. So hopefully that all works out for you. If you have any questions, please raise your hand and I'll be happy to come around and answer them. All right, good luck.